Here are some interesting facts about different countries.
1. Australia, home to the Great Barrier Reef, the largest coral reef system in the world. It has more kangaroos than humans, known for its unique wildlife, including species like the platypus and koala. 2. Brazil. The Amazon rainforest, which is the largest tropical rainforest in the world, is located in Brazil. Known for its annual Carnival Festival, which is one of the biggest and most colourful festivals in the world. It has won the FIFA World Cup 5 times, more than any other country. 3. China. The Great Wall of China is the longest wall in the world, stretching over 13,000 miles. It has the largest population of any country, with over 1.4 billion people, known for its ancient civilization dating back thousands of years. Egypt, home to the pyramids of Giza, one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. The Nile River, the longest river in the world, flows through Egypt. Ancient Egypt is known for its pharaohs, mummies and hieroglyphics. France. Known for the Eiffel Tower, one of the most famous landmarks in the world. It is the most visited country in the world, attracting over 80 million tourists annually. Famous for its cuisine, including dishes like croissants, baguettes and escargot. India. The Taj Mahal, one of the 7 wonders of the world, is located in India. It is the world's largest democracy by population, known for its diverse culture, languages and religions. 7. Japan. Known for its advanced technology and innovation. Home to Mount Fuji, an iconic and often photographed volcano. Traditional practices like tea ceremonies and martial arts are still widely practiced. 8. Kenya. Known for its stunning savannas and diverse wildlife, including the Big 5, lion, elephant, buffalo, leopard and rhinoceros. The Masai Mara National Reserve is a popular destination for safari tours. It is famous for its long-distance runners who have won many Olympic medals. 9. Mexico, home to ancient civilizations like the Maya and Aztec. Known for its vibrant culture, cuisine and festivals like Dia de los Muertos or Day of the Dead. The Chichen Itza, a large Mayan archaeological site, is one of the new 7 wonders of the world. Russia, the largest country in the world by land area, spanning 11 time zones. Known for its rich history and cultural heritage, including the Russian ballet and literature, home to the Trans-Siberian Railway, the longest railway line in the world. South Africa, known for its diverse cultures and languages, with 11 official languages. The country has 3 capital cities, Pretoria, Bloemfontein and Cape Town. Famous for its stunning landscapes, including Table Mountain and Kruger National Park. United States, home to the Grand Canyon, one of the natural wonders of the world. Known for its influence in global culture, economy and politics, it has a diverse landscape from the beaches of California to the mountains of Colorado. Italy, known for its rich history, art and architecture, including landmarks like the Colosseum and Vatican City. Famous for its cuisine, including pizza, pasta and gelato. It has more UNESCO World Heritage Sites than any other country.